Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to pin something on X. So let's go to X on your device, and you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. Now in the side menu, as you can see, you have different sections. You want to go to section your profile. Now on your profile you want to go to specific post that you want to pin, but actually you cannot pin reposts, because basically reposts are not your own content, and you cannot simply pin them to your profile. If you want to pin a repost, you will simply not have that option, because if you tap this three-dot button, you cannot see pin option. But if I go to my own content, this is my post, and I tap three-dot button, here I have this option. So let's pin it to my profile, and of course confirm that you want to pin it. And now let's end with those reposts. So if you want to pin someone else's content on your profile, then you have to use quote option instead of reposting. So let's go to my feed, and now I want to quote a post. So under the post itself, you want to tap on this repost icon and select option quote. Now you can add your comment if you want. I'll go with something like this, and when you're ready you want to tap post button in the top right. And now let's go to my profile to see this post right here. And now let's tap this three-dot button next to it and select option pin to your profile. Tap pin, and as you can see, I have now successfully pinned this quote post. So yeah, you can pin your own content on your profile as well as quote posts, and never repost. You can never pin reposts on your profile, because that's not your own content. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.